ELS Pet GalaxPod Lite, intelligent self-cleaning cat litter box. Smart, spacious, effortless. Upgrade your cat's hygiene routine with the ELS Pet GalaxPod Lite, the intelligent self-cleaning litter box designed for modern households. With a large internal space and innovative roller cleaning system, the GalaxPod Lite provides comfort for your cat and total convenience for you. Its fully automatic cleaning function quickly separates waste and deposits it into a sealed compartment, keeping your home fresh and odor-free. Powered by intelligent sensors and smart system controls, this litter box adapts to your cat's habits, ensuring safe and efficient operation every time. No more daily scooping, just a clean litter box at the touch of a button. Light bulb key features, spacious interior, ideal for cats of all sizes. Automatic self-cleaning with roller mechanism. Odor control and waste separation system. User-friendly interface and optional app integration. Modern, sleek design that fits any home decor. Whether you're a busy pet parent or simply want the best for your feline friend, the ELS Pet GalaxPod Lite delivers a smart, clean, and hassle-free litter experience.